Hi, my name is Noah, and I'm 9 years old, and I've joined Supermaths to become smarter and to share my knowledge with you. I will do some questions with my mom. I hope you'll enjoy.
458 minus 128 plus 487.
817.
250 plus 224 minus 134.
Is it 305?
Yes, good. Now we shall do some decimal question. 4.24 plus 1.54.
5.78.
5.37 plus 1.22.
6.59.
And now we start some multiplication. 451 multiply 6.
2706.